Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas. Today's theme is the reason for the season, and that is Jesus. Welcome to the Chic Show. Be sure and check out our host channels and the playlist in the description box below. I started with this little block and I didn't bother to try to remove the paper off the top, so I'm just going to paint over it with Waverly chalk paint and plaster. This is a wood piece that I had painted gold last year and never did anything with. And I was trying to cut the manger scene away and I broke part of it, but I'm going to glue that back together. I'm only going to be using Mary, Joseph, and baby Jesus. I used a piece of tape to keep this still while I painted it with black chalk paint by Waverly. I have an old Bible that I thrifted just for this particular type of project, and I tore the first page out of the first chapter of Luke out, and I'm going to be gluing that with the glue stick to the front of my block. I got rid of that excess paper just by sanding along the sides. Now I'm going to glue my pieces back together and glue them on to the front of this block. Titebond Quick and Thick does have a really good hold and it does dry pretty quickly, so that's what I used. And I'll just continue to glue these pieces on where they broke away, but they went right back together just fine, and I don't think you can even tell that they've been broken. This would be perfect as a shelf sitter or on a tiered tray. I hope you've been inspired by today's Christmas decor video. And just remember the true meaning of Christmas. Jesus is the reason for the season. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.